If you need to restore sending privileges on Shopify, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is in good standing and able to send communications. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials on the Shopify login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage settings related to sending privileges. Step 2. Check account status. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Review email sending limits. Go to the email settings within your Shopify admin. Check if there are any limits set on your account for sending emails. If you have exceeded these limits, you may need to wait or contact support for assistance. Step 4. Verify your domain. Ensure that your email domain is verified. Go to the domain section in your Shopify settings and confirm that your domain is properly set up and verified. This is crucial for restoring sending privileges. Step 5. Contact Shopify support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, reach out to Shopify support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your account and the specific issue you are facing to expedite the process. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Shopify. If problems persist, keep in touch with support for ongoing assistance.